let's start. So from the diagram below, write down the size of the angle. So this in front of you, this is a projector, right? So we always start from, for those who don't know how to see a projector, there's actually two lines. So you will see where is your starting line. So this is the solid line over here. What is 69420? I give me a lucky number here. Okay, so over here, sorry, I think my moderator today not in a good mood, so easily kena block already. Okay, so you see the solid line is here. So we will look at there's two bar here, right? We're going to look at the line whereby it starts from 0. So that means we're going to look at the inner one. So then after that, you will go here, look at the inner one, and look at the second solid line, which is here. So if you're looking at the inner one, that means it's 130 degree. Okay, 130 degree. Don't go and look at the 50 degree. You can also know that this angle here is greater than 90 degree. So if you put answer 50 degrees, definitely wrong. So it will be 130 degree. Okay, write down the size of the angle. So actually it's just 130 degree. Next, they say state whether the angle is acute, obtuse, reflex, or right angle. So over here, let me just talk about the angle. So when we talk about acute, okay, acute means that it's less than 90 degree. Less than 90 degree. Okay, when we have obtuse, obtuse will be angle which is, I'm going to just put angle, okay. This will be more than 90 and less than 180 degree. Okay, acute, okay, I'll put like that. Okay, 0 to 90 degree is called acute. Okay, obtuse is more than 90 and less than 180. Reflex, okay, it's more than 180 and less than 360. And of course, right angle, we all know, right angle is 90 degree. Okay, so in this question, this is 130. So 130 is between 90 and 180. So we will know that this one is obtuse. So part B answer is just obtuse angle. So this is just cannot use projector. What do you mean by cannot use projector? Who say cannot use projector? Projector should be inside your pencil case one. It's part of your stationery that you require. You need it to measure. Okay, let's move on. In the figure below, find the values of A and B. So you must know how to recognize that this is 90 degree. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write that this is 90 first. Okay, and you know that this is a straight line. This is a straight line. This is a straight line. Okay, so straight line add up together give us 180 degree. So I'm going to write and then state also the properties. So this is how you present. A lot of students say, oh, I know, 180 minus 52 minus 90, then I get the answer. But a lot of students don't know how to write the reasoning. Okay, so what you do is you will say, okay, angle A plus 90 degree plus 52 degree is equals to 180 degree. So this statement, there must be a reason. So at this side here, you will say that this is because this is angles on straight line. Then you solve A, right? Solve A, you will take 180 degree minus 90 minus 52 degree. Okay, so 38. So angle A will be 38 degree. Okay, now always update your diagram. So now you already found your A. So I'm going to put inside 38 degree over here. Next is this B. Okay, so this B, see this line is straight line. This line is also straight line. So property, vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay, so it means that hoi. This is called vertically opposite. This is angle A. This opposite will be angle A. Okay, when this is angle B, this will be angle B. So the property of this one is vertically opposite. Vertically opposite angle. So over here, I will write that angle B, you will write angle B is equals to 52 degree. So out of nowhere, you write angle B equals 52 degree. Why? Why? So you have to at the side here put the statement. This is because it's vertically opposite angles. Done. Okay. Okay, for those who are new here, just to let you know that can go to my Telegram channel and download the PDF. Right, it's not available now, but it will be available tomorrow. Then, as for the replay of today TikTok live, it will be uploaded to my YouTube channel. So just go to my TikTok profile, click on the link. The last button will go to my Telegram channel. The second last button will go to my YouTube channel. Okay, do help me to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you. Next question. Ta-da! Okay, so you are supposed to find angle P, angle Q. So you look at what you have. Okay, I also see parallel line. Okay, but I can already know that I will know how to find angle Q because we have a straight line here. Straight line, So straight line means these three angles add up together to be 180 degree. So you need to learn how to form equation. So this is how you write. You will say, okay, angle Q plus 60 degree plus 50 degree give you 180 degree. Again, you have to put the reasoning. So you have to say this is angles on straight line. Okay, maybe you will ask me, I need to spell out the straight or not? No problem. Okay, so some students ask, do I need to spell out the straight or not? Actually, some of you, the school teacher, will insist that you all spell out. But Teacher Kangie just write this Yes, I think it's better that you don't write anything. So of course, then we will say, okay, angle Q will be equals to 180 degree minus 60 and minus 50. So we will have 70 degree. Good evening. Okay, so again, remember to update your diagram because you see, if you don't update the diagram, you will say how to find angle P. Then you will say, okay, in this case, I don't need Q, but it's always a good habit to, I'm good, okay? So it's always a good habit to update the diagram. So you might need that value to do the next step. But for this case, I don't need it, but still need to update. I make it a habit. So this one is 70 degree. So angle P, okay, is because we're going to use the parallel line, Z. See, this is called Z. So for parallel line, Z. This angle A is equals to this angle. Okay, and what is the property? We call it the alternate angle. Okay, alternate angles. So alternate angles, you also have to state what is the parallel line. So let's say, for example, this is AB, and then this is C and D. You will say that, okay, it is because AB is parallel to CD. So not just stating that it's alternate angles, you also got to state what's the pair of parallel line. Pythagoras theorem, is it? Pythagoras theorem is pretty easy. A square plus B square equals to C square. Okay, but not today. I'm focusing on angles now. Today you all make my moderator busy. I think he already blocked 3 people already. So 70. So you see, this is how you present. You will say angle P is equals to 50 degree. So you will say alternate angles. Okay, colon. For this case, they did not give me the alphabet. Okay, but Teacher Kangie is very kiasu lah. So since it's a paper, right? The question is in front of you, right? So for me, right, I will label the point myself. So I say that this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Okay? If you have the diagram, then you do that. Then you can say, oh, okay, I say AB is parallel to DC. Done. Okay? So this is for question number 3. This is actually for normal tech angles, but it's applicable for P6 as well, because P6 also learn parallel lines. Okay, Sec 1, you all learn parallel lines, okay, angles. The only difference between secondary school and primary school is primary school you don't have to write the reasoning. But secondary school you need to write the reasoning. And students often struggle with reasoning. Okay, reasoning means those bracket, those statements that why is that you write that, why is that. Primary school is just, 180 minus 60 minus 50, then answer. Then I say, 50 degree, and they only just write like that. Okay, that's for primary school, I don't have to write reasoning. But secondary school, you need to. Okay, question 4. In the diagram, AB is parallel to CD. So I always have the habit to read the question and make sure that you put them into the diagram. So if they say parallel, make sure that you see the arrow. They already draw the arrow for me, so I don't have to draw. Angle CFE is 35. So CFE is 35, and then 90 degree. Where is it? EGD. EGD. Okay, they also put the 90 degree there already. But usually what I do is I also put the 90 here. Okay, so your task is to find angle P. Angle P. So let's find P. Where's P? P here. So you see, cross, crisscross. Cross, so cross just now I already talked about vertically opposite, right? So you will straight away say, okay, angle P is equals to 35 degree. And the reason is vertically opposite angles. Done. Straightforward. Again, update the diagram. So this is 35 degree. So let's see what's next. Next, they ask us to find angle Q. Angle Q. So let's see where is angle Q. Q is here. Q is here. So how do you do this question? Let's see. Parallel line Z. You see Z? I use the highlighter. Yeah, my highlighter elsewhere. Okay, so Z. See, Z. Okay. So it means that this angle, this is how you present. Angle ABE, angle ABE. Okay, see here. Angle ABE is equals to angle DFB. Why? Because it's alternate angles. And you got to state the parallel line AB parallel with CD. And it is equals to 35 degree. That's not the straight away answer. That's not the straight away answer because this only helped me to find this angle over here, which is 35 degree. My task is to find Q. So this is a straight line. This is a straight line. So you will say angle Q. So angle Q will be 180 minus 35 degree. And this is because angles on straight line. So we will have 145 degree. Okay. ABG, ABE. It's okay. It's the same. You see, AB, G. Or you want to say ABG or ABE, sorry, ABF or ABF, sorry, ABG, ABF, ABE also can because they are all referring to the same angle. Okay? I already tried to flip but still can't. Flip what? So 145 degree. Next, reflex angle FDG. So let's go and find FDG. I'm going to upgrade this one first. Update this one first. 145. FDG. FDG. Okay, you're supposed to find this angle over here. FDG. But they have a word in front called reflex. Remember? So FDG actually can refer to two things. FDG can refer to the inside here, or it can be the outside. So since they ask for reflex, and remember just now I mentioned reflex is more than 180 degrees. So when they put the word reflex in front, that means they want you to find the outside one. Okay? So let's find the inside first. Okay? Let's find the inside first. So this is a triangle. Okay? A triangle. FDG is a triangle. Three angles add up together to give us 180 degrees. Huh? Flip what? Don't understand. You mean flip your handphone, is it? That I can see better, is it? Not too sure. Huh? So anyway, let's find angle FDG. So I never put the... Why you need to flip the video? Okay, try not to use mobile phone. Mobile phone so small what you can see. Okay, try to use PC to see. So, yeah, cannot full screen. Okay, angle FDG will be equals to 180 degree minus 90 degree and minus 35 degree. This is angles in a triangle. Yes, use PC. Handphone cannot see clearly. How do you all learn math when you use handphone? I don't think can. So small. Unless you have very big iPad lah. Then nothing to say. Handphone so small, how to see? So I will get 55 degree. Okay, but they want reflex. So you will say, okay, so therefore reflex angle FDG. Okay, you will have to use 360 degree minus 55. So this one is called angles at a point. Angles at a point. Yes, angles at a point. 360 minus 55. So it will be 305 degree. Done. Thanks, Don. Okay. Next. Okay. Let's see. This should be easy. Okay. Always work from what you have. I look at the question, nothing for me to convert. Okay. The only angles I have is 110. So we can find our n first. Okay. Because I straight away can see a cross. Correct. Whenever you see a cross, two straight lines cross together. That's joy here. No problem. Last time I also don't know. I only happens to know TikTok like last year only. Yeah. Okay, then I make use of this platform. So many youngsters on this platform. Then they can learn math while they enjoy other entertainment videos. They also have to learn math at the same time. Okay. Like you see on my side, I say kids don't give up. You learn one question also better than nothing. Okay. Yeah, although you cannot benefit from it, but you can still share to your relatives, share to your cousin, those younger one. Okay, let them know that there's someone who teach maths online. Okay, you can still pass down the information to them. So vertically opposite. So I will say right here angle N is equals to 110 degree. So the reason, vertically opposite angles. Done. So update. So this is 110 degree. So angle M is actually straight line. So sometimes you cannot confirm, you can see, you see a straight line. So we know that straight line, the angles add up together to be 180 degrees. So for M, you will just say angle M is 180 degree minus 110. So you get 70 degree. Again, don't forget to write the reason. So it's angles on straight line. Done. Okay. Okay, thanks for sharing. Share, go and share if you are listening here and you have classmates who also in the same class as you, you can share to them. If you have cousin, small little cousin or small little nephew, niece, you can also send it to them. Now math needs to put reasons, so different from previous year. Your previous year should be primary school, is it? Yeah, the reason only is meant for angles lah. Other topic don't really need reason. Of course, there's one more which is the properties of circle lah. Yeah. Okay. I think it's similar, Calvin. Even you see, I'm actually revising for IGCSE. So basically, actually, all the topics that they teach and we learn is all quite international. It's just that they give different things. I also in the IGCSE, when I do my revision, I also see angles, you see. So I believe I believe Malaysia also learn the same thing. It's just that I will not know, like in in Malaysia math, you all learn in which year, which form they call it. Yeah, so it's like international. Okay. So in the diagram, AD is parallel to GE. Look, okay, see, they draw the parallel line already. I did O-level more than 20 years ago. I got 20 years ago. Let me see. I'm more than you. O-level, let me see. Okay, I slightly more by you a little bit. Okay, now, okay, let's see. So find angle W. Where's my W? W is here. You see parallel line, right? So you need to know that parallel line, this one, okay, I draw like that. Parallel line. This, angle A and angle B. Okay, this is called interior angle. So I put here, angle A plus angle B is 180 degree. So this is for parallel line. These two inside angle add up together to be 180. Okay, so then the properties is called interior angles, and you have to state the parallel line. Let's say for this case is AB, and then let's say it's like that. So I would say it is AB parallel to DC. Okay, so this is the actual property. Alternate angle is Z. But if I want to find W, I use this one. It's interior angle It's not Z. This one is interior. Alternate is Z. N-level also learn angles. Okay, so this one I will say, okay, angle W is equals to 180 minus 35 degree. So reason I will say is interior angles, and it is because AB parallel with GF. This is F. AB parallel with GF. So we have 145 degree. So update the diagram, 145 degree. Next, you need to find angle Y here. Let's see. Okay, I can actually, okay, sometimes there's no sequence sometimes it's like, oh, you look at the question, then you see what you find first. Actually, I find this one first, then I find Z first. So it's okay. Okay, it's okay. So what we're going to do is I'm going to find this angle here first, because I can see a Z. A Z. So I also can find another way to find Y. Do you see that this big triangle over here? Big triangle. Big triangle. I can find this angle here, right? See, I can find this angle over here. Then once I have this angle, this big triangle, 70 plus this angle plus Y also give me 180. Correct? So okay, let's find this one. Find this one. I can also do Z. Z. So you see, there's many ways to do it. Many ways to do it. I had always found this chapter as hard as vectors. Vectors is tougher than this one. Angles is quite straightforward. Okay, so let's say I'm going to use this. I use Z. So you will say angle BFE is equals to ABF. ABF, BFE, yes. Which is equals to 35 degree, and this one is alternate angles. And you can say this is AB parallel with FE. So this is 35 degree. So now this big triangle, look at this CFE. Big triangle, 70 plus 35 plus Y also give me 180. So you will say angle Y is equals to 180 minus 70 minus 35. So this one is angles in a triangle. So 180 minus 70 minus 35, 75 degree. So we solve our Y. Put the diagram. So this is 75 degree. Yeah, this one got no parallelogram. Yeah, this one don't have parallelogram. This one only have one pair of parallel line. We can only see trapezium here. So this one use a lot of corresponding angle or alternate angle, interior angle, angles on the straight line, angle in a triangle. Okay, so now we are done with Y. Okay, so now let's take a look at Z. Z is here. Okay, Z, if I go the long way, I can find this angle, then after 180 minus this one, I get this one. Okay, or you see this parallel line, right? This Y and this Z, okay, they are actually equal. So this property, I'm going to write it here. Where? I don't like to use the exterior angle of triangle. I mean, yeah. For me lah. Okay, so you see what I want to say okay, here. Okay. This angle and this angle. So this one, angle A and angle A is the same. So this kind is called corresponding angle. Okay. So this is angle A is equals to angle A. This is corresponding angles. Okay. So I'm going to just say angle Z is equals to CEF. Sorry, you cannot see. Sorry. Angle Z is equals to CEF. Angle CEF. And we're going to say this is corresponding angles. And the parallel line is BD and FE. BD and FE. So it is equals to 75 degrees. Done. Okay. Okay, angles are hard. I keep hearing you all say, so now I'm doing angles, so learn. Stop saying angles are hard. Nothing is easy at the start. Just have to learn, okay? No, similar triangles, one too far lah. Minecraft, this is using parallel line, okay? This one set 1 only leh. They where got learn similar triangle. Okay, let's move on. Question 7. So now angle X is super easy. This one is a very super easy question. So this is angles at a point, correct? So all three angles add up together to be 360. So you will say angle X plus 160 plus 72 degree is equals to 360 degree. Why? Because angles at a point. So my angle X is just take 360 minus 160 and minus 72 degree. So 360 minus 160 minus 72, that will give us 128 degree. And we are done. Okay, next. We need to find Y, we need to find Z. I can straight away find Y also because Z, by now you should know alternate angle already. So I will go a little bit faster already. So you will say angle Y is equals to 46 degree because this is Z, alternate angle. And parallel line, again, I can put in the alphabet, A, B, C, D. I will say AB parallel with DC. AB parallel with DC. Done. So this one we can update 46 degree. Z, we're going to use angles on the straight line. By now you should know angles on the straight line. So you will say angle Z is equals to 180 minus 65 and minus 46. Why? Because this is angles on straight line. So 180 minus 65 minus 46, so we get 69 degree. Done. Okay, sometimes you might see that the answer, the reasoning is different from mine. Okay, because sometimes there's more than one way. As long as you use the correct property and derive the same answer is fine. Okay, let's move on to the next question. The diagram below shows two pairs of parallel lines. Okay, 2 pairs of parallel line. Okay, we only have 170 degree. So that means straight away we can find angle X first. So angle X is equals to 70 straight away. And reason is because this is vertically opposite. So you can see that by now, doing question 8 you already see that all the reasoning that I use is always similar. It's always the same, it's always the same, okay? So, yeah. So in other words, practice make perfect. Practice make perfect. You do more of this kind of question, you realize that, hey, the question is always similar. It's always using the same reason. Just a few reasons. Cannot remember, man? Do a few more times, you will remember naturally. So update the diagram. So this is 70 degree. So I never write properly. Wait, Okay, now next, I need to find this angle Z. So how am I going to find this angle Z? I have Z here, Z here. So over here, I can say that this angle is 70 degrees. Z, 70 degrees. Then how am I going to give this reasoning is 70 degrees? So you can give alphabet. You can measure, you can put in alphabet. Or let's see. Okay, put in alphabet A, B, C. Okay, I'm going to put this A, this as B, and this as C. Okay, put in the necessary alphabet. Not everything you need to label. So I'm going to say angle ABC. Angle ABC is equals to angle X, which is equals to 70 degrees. This is Z. So it's alternate angles. Okay, and then parallel line. Okay, this is this line. So, okay, I need to label. This is D. So, you say AD parallel with CB. Okay. So, we are not done yet. We are supposed to find Z. Find Z. So, you can say, okay, angle Z is just 180 minus 70. So, you get 110 degree. So, this is angles on a straight line. So this is 110 degree. Next, lastly, Y. So just now I teach you that interior angle add up together to be 180, right? So angle Y, you can say that 180 minus 110 using interior angle. Or you want to use Z also can. Okay, you want to use Z also can. So I'm going to use interior angle. So I will say, okay, angle Y is actually 180 minus 110. That gives us 70 degree. And the reason is I'm going to use that is interior angle. Okay, so which is these two, right? So I have to state parallel line. So this line I can say, just now I use A, B, C, D already. So I can label this as E, I can label this as F. So this will be because BE parallel with CF. Done. Okay? Alamak. I got so much space here, I go and squeeze everything here. Okay, so I'm going to just put a very big smiling face here. Okay, the answer is here. By right, I should have written here. Okay, let's move on to question number 9. Who is the one who requests for angles? I hope you are here. Okay, in the diagram below, find angle P. This one very straightforward. Okay, this time around I learned already. I must write it below. Yeah. So this one we will say angle P equals to 142. So this is vertically opposite. So we are done. Okay, so we're going to label this as 142 degree. You get anxiety because you don't have practice. Okay, whenever we see something that we are not familiar with, then we were anxious about it. Then we will feel nervous. So you see that sometimes, I mean, you ask yourself, when you have a very confident topic because you have practiced it, when you go for the exam or whatsoever, you won't be so you won't feel anxiety because you already are well prepared for it. Okay, we only feel nervous and anxiety when we are not prepared for things. So you have to just in order to so-called get rid of the anxiety, you just have to practice, overcome, and practice and find out how to do and how to do. I've been doing like 9 questions already, by now you all should already know all those questions. Then that give you no reason for feeling anxiety next time. Angle Q. So over here, by now you should know that this is interior angle. So I will just take angle Q is equals to 180 degree minus 142 degree. Okay. So 180 minus 42. 138 degree. So this is interior angles. Alamak, I forget to put the 1. I was thinking why this one so big. 38 degree, interior angle. So we got to put a parallel line, right? Label, this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. We will say this is AB and DC. So AB parallel with DC. Okay, update the diagram. This is 38 degree. Next, angle R. Oh, corresponding angle. Anna? Huh? Why your exam so early? My exam is on the 20th of May. Hi, Mobile Legend. Okay, so angle R, this is corresponding angle. So you will say, okay, angle R equals to 38 degree. So the reason is corresponding angle. Then you got to set the parallel line. So I will say DA parallel with CB. DA CB. So DA parallel with CB. And we're done. Okay, congrats, both of you all. One finished the IGCSE, put so many love, means that you'll be doing very well for IGCSE, right? What make it bigger? You change your phone bigger lah. Use PC, thank you. Weird, right, y'all? Make it bigger. I think it's because it is IGCSE from Cambridge. I'm from Brunei, not Singapore. Okay, IGCSE. I'm revising and I did the IGCSE paper. Actually, the funny thing is the IGCSE normal math already includes some topics from our Singapore EMath. Yeah. So yes, there are some topics that's from EMath that we need in IGCSE. That's why there's some topics that I need to study. 20th May will be my paper 1. Then I don't know, 7 or 6 June is my second paper. 7 June is my second paper. Okay, last question for this one. Okay. Let's see. Actually, this question is very nice, very kind already. Usually, okay, take note this one for express student also. If you see, usually express student will not see this line here. Right? You will not see this line here. Then you will be given this question. Then you all don't know what to do. Next week. Yeah, next week. Fast, right? Is it next week? Don't scare me. Yes. Ayo, I still haven't revised. And no problem. Yes, good luck to me, okay? So, you see, this question, they draw the line for you already. So, kids, when you all see the question without the line, you must know to solve this question, actually, it's just draw this additional line. Okay? Because drawing this additional line, these 3 lines, they are parallel to each other. Okay? So, that's the trick, please. So, now, they want you to find the value of ABC. Where's my ABC? ABC. So there's no way you can find this ABC directly. Okay, you have to find this one and you find this one separately. Yes, I'm taking exam. A very old student. No, I mean, of course I took my O-level 20 plus years ago. Hello, Ryan. But I'm taking a challenge to take IGCSE EMath exam. Private candidate. Okay. So I'm going to find this separately. So actually, you got to find. Okay, I'm going to label this alphabet ABC. I'm going to label this as D. Okay, so we will say angle ABD. Angle ABD is equals to angle. Okay, I'm going to label this as well. E, F, and G. Someone asked, so cute. Someone on my YouTube channel is asking how to sign up for my crash course. I'm here live. Why you don't ask me here? Why you go to my YouTube channel to comment? How do you sign up for the crash course? You go to my link, right? My favorite link on my bio. Crash course is the very first button, right? Just click there and then click on the sign up. Okay, fill up the form whether you want to sign up for EMath, AMath, or both. And then after that, Sam will follow up with you for another form for payment and everything. Yes lah, and the answer is 55 plus 28 lah, but you must give reasoning ma. Just give A. You just write 55 plus 28, then this one 3 marks. I think the teacher also don't want to give you the most you can get 1 out of 3. Okay, you get the answer mark. Okay, you got to give the reasoning. Everyone know how to find answer. Okay, it only works for primary school. Primary school, you write 55 plus 28. Okay, you get the answer. You get the marks as well. But in secondary school, if you just give 55 plus 28, you get 1 out of 3. Yes, you need reasoning. Of course, 3 marks. You can see or not? 3 marks. If this one is 1 mark, okay lah. Give me the answer 28 plus 55 lah. But this is 3 marks. You got to justify the 3 marks. Correct or not? This is Sec 1 normal tech. Yes. Yes, okay, so let's continue. Angle ABD will be equals to 28 degrees. Alamak, what I write? So we will say that this is because this is Z. I will say it's alternate angle. And the parallel is AE and BF, right? Oh no, alright, AE and DB. AE parallel with DB. So this is 28. Then now we're going to say this one. So you say angle DBC equals to 55. Again, it's because alternate angle. Okay, DB parallel with CG. So now you can say, therefore, angle ABC equals to 28 plus 55 degree. Okay, which is 83 degree. Yes. Although it doesn't make sense, right? And this one actually, if it's an express question, I think it's worth 2 marks only lah. But normal tech, I believe if they are able to solve this question, it's quite tough for them. Okay, like I say, express, you will not expect to see this line. Express, you will not see the line DF there. So you need to know how to draw the line DF yourself, understand? It's not the end yet. We still have actually another worksheet. Because actually, I tabulate question for angles. And then after that, I tabulate question for angles in the triangle. And then after that, I also tabulate question for angles in the quadrilateral. So actually, I have 3 worksheets, which is I have 30 questions. But I'm not going to go through all by today, okay? Because I only assign 1 hour to do it, right? So now it's already 20:48. So it means that I should be able to do another 5 questions or 3 questions. The balance, we will do it next Wednesday. Anyway, since we haven't decided what's the next. Oh God, sorry. I got promised another student to do simultaneous on 18 May. Okay, then I will do the continuation of angles after 18 May. Next training is this Sunday. But this Sunday we'll be doing EMath, doing equation of circle. Okay, let's continue. Maybe 3 more questions. Okay, so now this is all more on angles in a triangle. They will talk about triangle, of course, on top still got parallel lines. Okay, in the diagram, triangle ABG is equilateral, ABG. So they already put out the symbol for you to tell you that the three sides are equal. But if they never put, you have to put yourself. So in this case, you should know that equilateral triangle is all 60 degrees. So the first thing is you go and mark out all these are 60 degrees. 60, 60, 60. They want to find angle X over here. So how to find? Anyone want to help me? Minecraft, Raphael? How to find angle X? Yes, coffee dinosaur. When you fail math and don't know how to do math, you will just hate math lah. But when you start to know, you are able to solve math, then you will find math very fun. Hey Minecraft, you say you will stay to the end. How to do this question? Michelle is asking for help. She cannot open the Ang Mo Kio paper solution. Can you text her on the Slack? Please highlight angle X. Angle X is here. Oh, so let me see. 100 and 180 minus 60 minus blah blah blah. Where else? Okay, so over here, let's see. We can do more. So maybe we cannot find this X directly, but look at other angles that I have. 54 can't give me much information. I'm going to work with my 127. Okay, I'm going to work with my 127. So here you see Z. So that means this is 127 degree. Only that the Z is a bit big lah. This is Z, correct? This is Z. So you will say angle BCE is equals to 127 degree because this is alternate angles. And this is BC parallel with EF. So now, then after that, I come back to here. You can find this angle over here, right? So angle ACB will be equals to 180 minus 127 because this is a straight line. So this is angles on straight line. So it will be 53 degree. So then you know that this here is 53 degree. Then now you can find angle X already because ABC is a triangle. Yes, okay. So now you find angle you can straight away say angle X already. So it will be 180 degree minus 54 degree and minus 53 degree. And the reason is angles in a triangle. So you see this X, you cannot find so straightforward, then you do a bit further, right? 180 minus 54 minus 53. So we get 73 degree. Done. So update the diagram. This is 73 degree. Next, angle Y. So for some, yes, it's 73 degree. Okay. Now is yes, gamer, you are right. So now we need to find angle Y. So how do you find angle Y? Okay. Okay, I saw it already. See this parallel line? So I need to find this angle over here. as long as I can find this angle, this 2 is interior angle, correct? And we have a straight line here. See, there's a straight line here. So this straight line, actually I already find 73 and 60. So I can find this angle over here. So we will say, probability I teach quite some time ago already. But I don't teach probability distribution. I'm not so sure your probability distribution is what. Maybe it's even higher level. Teacher Kangie not that smart. Okay, so see here, I will say angle CBH is equals to 180 degree minus 60 degree and minus 73 degree. So 180 minus 60 minus 73 give us 47 degree. So here is 47 degree. So angle Y is interior angle. So I will just say, okay, angle Y is just 180 minus 47 degree. So we have 133 degree. Need to give reasoning. Just now this one is angles on a straight line. Angles on straight line. This one is interior angle. Parallel line is BC parallel with HE. Done. So we solve angle X and angle Y. Okay? Okay, let's move on and do the last question. Last question. The diagram shows a sketch of a right angle triangle ABC. Okay, measure angle ACB. This one is using projector. Ayo, I don't know where I put my projector. Somewhere. Okay. Last time I used to be Nancy, never thought to put reasoning for every answer. Have to put reasoning. Secondary school difference, because actually when you learn angles, P5, P6 already learn angles. The only difference is Sec 1 you need to put the reasoning. Okay, so I need to measure ACB over here. So I need to have to my projector. So see the inside here. I'm going to put the line on it. Okay, see the C, your point C, point C will be in this here. Okay, then you will look at the outer one, outer line, the outer line, the outer bar. So outer bar, it will be at 20 plus. It already passed 25. So it will be 25, 26, 27. So it's 27 degree, okay? 27 degree, So we will say angle ACB is equals to 27 degree. If somehow we do very well for normal tech, for N level, is there any way my friend can take a higher level? What do you mean? Do well not just in math but all other subjects. I don't understand your question. Okay, using your answer in part A, calculate CAB. This is easy, right? So you all know that 90 degree, right angle is 90 degree. So this is actually angles in a triangle. So my angle CAB, you just take 180 degree minus 90 and minus 27 degree. Yes, and you get 63 degree. Okay, and of course let's put this is angles in a triangle.